SkyClan land? What? Oh, a dream or vision, of course. Oh, StarClan, this better not be bad. What in the stars? Moths? What could moths possibly mean? Huh? Awfully dark. I wonder...
Look out for the creeping darkness, silent and bleak. Arising from beneath the stars, a plague will leak. Beware the gentle flap of a moth's wing, for from beneath the stars the end will spring.
Huh? What's all that racket? I was having an important dream. What in the stars?
Hey, you! Get back here! What are you doing, Mouse Brain? How dare you? What do you think you're doing?
Stormflight, what's all this? You were supposed to be guarding the camp.
Morningstar, I'm sorry. I tried. I did. He was just too quick.
Please, let me speak. I'm sorry for barging in. I am, but it's important, I promise.
Brookstorm, I can't imagine what could be important enough for the Shadow Clan deputy to come barging in my camp. But it better be worth waking up my clan for. Go on.
It's Stormstar. She's missing.